Because when we get back in the lab, even though we're PMPs, because we're technically supposed to do 60 PDUs every 3 years. I've heard horror stories, well, I call them horror stories, where people will sit and watch the video and just let the video just play until it ends so they can get, pass that particular course and then move on to the next, or I should say that topic and move on to the next one. And I'm like, oh, I cringe when I hear that. I cringe because of the fact that they're missing out on a great opportunity on a profession that I love, that I hope that you'll fall in love with, which is project management. You see, this thing that we're eventually gonna take a journey on together is that I owe it to the family to help people so they don't fall victim to that. How I can do that is what I'm doing here now, putting out content, unpacking different knowledge areas within project management, also talking about agile aspects of things as well. But you know what?